Well, good afternoon, and thank you for stopping by. My name is Paul Bagan. For those of you who don't already know who I am, if this is your first time stopping by, I thank you very much, and I hope that you'll make several more future visits. A little bit about myself. My name is Paul Bagan, and I have been in business primarily for myself for a little over 30 years. During that time, I worked in the field of training and development, or I sold to major Fortune 500 companies as well as to individuals. What I sold them were various training programs such as leadership, communications, and then I also did some coaching. Primarily, I did leadership coaching and some executive coaching. Now, here we are into 2020, and it was back in 2019 that I decided to embark on a new career. I moved away from selling products that were training related and decided to sell a product that, brace yourself, when I say it, some of you might go, oh no! Yes, I decided to sell life insurance. Okay, if you fell out of your chair, go ahead and bring yourself back up. I want to assure you that uh, there's a countless number of highly professional insurance salespeople out there. Unfortunately, there are a handful or so that don't quite um, do what they say, and they don't follow good business practices. But I want to assure you that I am one of those highly professional insurance agents. My interest is in my clients, and nothing more and nothing less than that. Where I focus most of my attention is with life insurance. In future videos, I'll share with you various types of life insurance because there are different types and they're most fitting for different times in our lives. But for now, I deal with life insurance. If I have a target market, I probably spend a good amount of my time working with the senior market. The reason is not only am I looking to provide them with life insurance options, if that's what they're looking for, but I'm also wanting to find out where are they financially? Are they well prepared for their retirement? Will everything go well during their retirement years? So I meet with a lot of clients to look at what do they have? What's their insurance? What are their future goals? How much income are they needing to live on? There's a variety of things that I look at, and I do it through asking questions. After I'm done doing that, I always promise my clients this. If I feel that you're in really good shape and there's really no need for what I have to offer, I'm going to tell you that. That's just a good business practice. If I see that there's some areas that, well, concern me and might be making you a little bit more, what's the word, vulnerable than maybe you'd like to be, I'll point it out to you. And lastly, if I see some errors that absolutely have to be fixed, I'm going to point that out to you as well. But ultimately, the decision does become yours. So life insurance. Annuities, that's another thing that I look at and I assist clients with. And finally, as we all age, our needs for healthcare become even greater. And a lot of clients don't even recognize the fact that 7 out of 10 seniors are going to need extended care. 7 out of 10. Now, oftentimes it's thought that our Medicare will take care of that. Well, no, it really doesn't. You have to have the right insurance coverage in order to protect you financially in the event that you cannot care for yourself. And that's where extended care comes into play. And I talk to a lot of my clients about it as well. So there you have it, a little bit of information on Paul Bagan. I would love to hear from any of you, if you'd like, with any questions that you have. And I'll be quick to respond back. I also appreciate referrals. So for those of you who know of me and know of my business practices, I know you'll feel comfortable in referring your family, friends, clients, and associates. And I will treat them the same way I would treat a member of my own family. If you're wanting to reach out to me, you may reach me at my mobile number, 209-910-1411. I bid you a great day, great health, and great success as you move on in life. Thank you again for your time, and I'll be back again with another video.